So if you're looking for a way to add images to your Shopify menu here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first, if you're going to look for native or default settings here that you could use to edit to add images to your Shopify menus, where it's currently not available, so you need to either edit the code on your website or you need to install an app. So in our case, to make things a lot easier, we could actually use an app for this one. So in this case, you want to go and just go and click on settings at the bottom left of your Shopify store. Click on apps and sales channel. Click on Shopify App Store. Now, from here, you just need to search for the following. It's going to be menu image. Now, there are going to be a lot of options that you could use in here to add images to your menu, which in this case, you just need to choose one. Now, basically, there are, like what I said, there are a lot of options in here, but we'll be using just one. So let's go and just install the following. It's going to be Buddha Mega menu and navigation. Let's go and click on install. Now from here, let's just wait for a while here until it's actually loaded up. And let's go and just agree to the installation. So and click on install. I'll wait for a while. Now in here, let's go and just scroll down a bit here. Let's go and click on choose free plan. And click on OK here. I understand. Let's go and choose free plan. Wait for a while here. And once it's actually loaded up, you should be able to start editing your menu. Now in here, you should be able to start adding your items. So you just need to click on add item and just choose your icon here or whatever you want to use. And basically adding your menu here. Let's just go and add a test here. And as an example, let's go and just add a static icon here that leads to a homepage. And let's go and click on OK. Let's go and add another one here. Let's go and choose a different icon. This one, let's go and just say that this is going to be testing. And let's go and just link this to another one. Let's go and click on OK. Let's go and choose a collection here first. So let's go and choose home page, click on OK. And yeah. So the thing with this one, you might be wondering, where's the image part here? Well, the thing with this one is, in order for you to access that, you may need to upgrade your plan. So just to give you an idea, this is what the membership plans actually included here. So you need to use the Mega Zen here. So this is pretty much true for all for different apps out there, so you may need to get a membership in order for you to fully utilize it. But just to give you an idea, this is what they can actually do. So see menu example here. So from here, as you can see, you can add like images to your products, to your menu here. As you can see here now, that's you can access that. And pretty much same thing here is if you do have a premium plan, the options or your settings that you can access in here would also change. So you'd have the option to upload your own image here or choose the image or image file that is present in your Shopify page. But once you're done, you can go and just click on the add and design mega menu here so that you could add this into your Shopify page. But yeah, just make sure to save your creation first before doing so. But just click on enable app now. It should open up your theme editor. And again, just enable the app itself once it does appear in here. So let's just wait for it, like enable this one, and it should now be present here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.